National General Secretary of the National People's Party (NPP) and also Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya Sniawbhalang Dhar stated that the opposition Voice of the People's Party (VPP) saw its vote share drop to 3.71 lakh in the recent district council elections in the Khasi and Jaintia Hills, while NPP's vote share increased by 2.80 lakh. Sniawbhalang Dhar noted that VPP's vote count had declined from 5 lakh in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, suggesting a significant loss of support within months. He predicted a further 80% decline by 2028. He also highlighted NPP's improved performance in the elections with a narrowing vote gap between the two parties. The NPP is set to form the executive committee in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council with the support of 18 MDCs, including 14 from the NPP, 3 from the UDP and 1 independent. In contrast, the VPP dominated Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council with 17 seats, while NPP won only 4. Dhar expressed gratitude for the strong mandate in the Jaintia Hills, where NPP's performance improved by 50 to 60% and respected the Khasi Hills verdict. He clarified that the MDA coalition had no plans to form an EC in the KHADC as the VPP had secured a clear majority. However, he suggested that if the VPP struggled to govern, the situation would be reassessed in the future.
Election MDC Nongkonga nga ay kublay yung district administration bro artili ka election ni conduct very well kaya ibang empty wat kumju yung pa iba pliru one board bron kanu ta oy mla iklem da ay kublay kerpang ng jungay ka Jaintia district kala ay ka support hadu khalang di MDC na ka leng Jaintia region ta oy yak bade Khasi ro we respect the mandate of the people mo kila ay hadu south li Tapi kabha na marba ringin nu jori hagalas election MP ong baik ka VPP kala asar bro ar kundai sit na Khasi handai menta kayo stang kanyo it's we are improving very much takabede lang Jaintia Hills BOE kala ngila improve bahi more than 50-60% sakatay na lang cuma ay kublay ki Taiba jong nong Jaintia ke belajar di parti jung kila put bagi faith and confidence on NPP. Tingi kum ke parti hak bede bagi Jaintia jung persang bantre bahkan bala. Hak bede bagi Khasi ro ni ai kublei na mar MP la rem baro akunda rem kut mental ayo ado sahabat ke UDP san lagi independent R bar ispira long kadar is very much improve as MD gongan.
Hado kanu ka vote share NPP ka kio hakani ka
hakata pinyo ibang ila improve mara ka last election MP ka VPP kayo sanlak nyo po mulumala manta kayo stang lalak nyo po more or less in the 36 constituency we are very much improved in term of vote share manta ka ni MBC kayo lalak nyo po ka NPP kayo arlak prapo tam is different 85,000 haka last ka different lalak tam but we are really improving as a NPP party and as MD partners.
Kamu piang ba? Ka NPP ka VPP ka here.
Here laki from 5,70,000 to 3,71 is drastically reduced in just in the span of 9-8 months. By 28, maybe to reduce 80%, we never know, and we are working towards that.
Regarding VPP's election promises, he expected the party to deliver on its commitments, cautioning that public disappointment could arise if they failed. On a possible alliance with Congress in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, he said discussions would be considered later. He assured that the new NPP-led EC in the Jaintia Hills would address the council's financial issues in collaboration with the state government, aiming for long-term stability.
Let them form. They have got a solid majority, so let them form. And if they are unable to carry, we'll see after a few years. That we'll see. Mark expectation big is one of the but makila kular bone kay baro. The therapy kular ke demen lap performing bigla kular. To pay back bastan. Wala kila man kular kala man mel kim lap man penme boki kular pay back lap man so simple as that. Pay back kinai gi license mentas kemat.